Yes, of course. That would be really fun, actually. And don't mind me, just super comfy clothes today. And I know this is a football team, which you guys are like, what? I thought she was a soccer fan, which I am. But this is, like, still super cool, so whatever. Anyways, so here are all of the watercolors I am currently using. Please excuse this really messy desk cover. I'm going to have to fix that soon. I like these ones. They are pretty vibrant. And these ones are probably my favorite just because of how many colors come in the package. That is the brand. And this one I got even before that. I've been using this one forever, and it's always been pretty good, actually. This one isn't my favorite just because of quality, but it can be good if I'm looking for specific colors or for blending. As for acrylic, this is the brand I'm currently using, which, by the way, I use these watercolors to paint this cute fox. This is the current brand I use for Prismacolor or color pencil art. Definitely a favorite. They even have a smaller size of it. Here's my pencil sharpener. It works pretty well. It's Prismacolor brand. By the way, if I could get Prismacolor to sponsor me, that would be amazing. So tag them. Part 2 maybe?